Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy eFootball coins with Google Play Points. This is a new update. So it is a quick and easy tutorial and let's dive right into it. Do you got extra Google Play Points just sitting there? Here's how to turn them into eFootball coins and level up your squad for free. So this is what you need to do. Just click on Google Play Store to open it like so. And now go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right there. And you will be brought in here. You need to look for play points under all these options. As you can see, not everyone got the play points feature. It depends on your region, your account activity, and sometimes even your Play Store version. So if it's available on your country, then you just need to update your Play Store and make sure that you have turned on the play points if it's supported in your country. It's not supported in my country, but this is what you'll find. Once you open that place, you'll have a place written play points. Just go ahead and click on that option there. Once inside, you should be able to see your balance. For instance, this one has a balance of 213 points, and you just need to make sure that you have use turned on. So click on use, then look for eFootball under these options or Konami in the list. If it shows up, boom, you can redeem play points for in-game credit. But can't see eFootball? Here's a trick. Go back to the eFootball app. So once you are inside here, you can go to the shop, and inside the shop, you can be able to buy these coins with actually your play points. So if you have enough points, enough play points, you can just click on it and play points will appear under the payment options. You can just scroll into it and you should be able to see play points here if you have enough of them, and you can click on it to be able to pay with it instead of using extra money. So Google sometimes gives bonus points on certain days. So be sure to check your play points section often and stock up. Once you confirm, the coins will be added instantly. No card, no cash, just pure squad upgrades. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.